Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Grace Amondi and I'll be teaching how to create a map using AutoCAD. So if you have been following my tutorials, you'll know that we have reached to a point where we need to plot our map as a PDF. We left off where we had created our map and now it's time to plot it and thus get an output of a PDF. So you'll go to File, click on File, select Plot. Then a dialog should appear. Now here we'll go to Print/Plotter and click on Select DWG to PDF. Then in the paper size, now we'll select our paper size to be A4 and we want it to be 210 by 297. This means it will be a portrait. If it were to be a landscape, it will be 297 by 210. So for the portrait size, the width is shorter than the length. So we'll select 210 by 297 and here is a preview of what we have. Then now for the plot area, want to plot a window, and then now we need to enable OSNAP on the bottom nav here. So click on OSNAP to enable it. Then you'll notice that the corners of the map will be detected. So you'll click on one corner, then drag and click on the other corner. The dialog box will reappear again. Then next we want our map to be centered. So enable center the plot. Click on it. Then for the plot scale, we'll want to use a custom scale. So uncheck the fit to paper checkbox. Then now let's say we'll set it to 1:0.6. Then on this other side, for your first time users, this side might not appear, but there will be a link to click on to expand the dialog box. So on this side we'll select portrait for our drawing orientation. Then before we can click OK, we need to preview. So click on preview. So as you can see, our map appears to be okay. If you want to go back, just right click and click exit. Do not click on plot as this will return you back to where you started from scratch. So let's click on exit. Then if we change the scale to something, let's say like 0.9 and preview, you'll notice that the map gets smaller. So if you increase the size, the value, the map gets smaller. If you decrease it, the map gets larger. So that's how you'll know whether your map is to fit. So let's right click and go back. So exit. Let's return it to 0.6. Let's preview again. So it's okay. Now that everything is okay, we can just click on OK. And we'll save our map. So we can call it map final topo and save it as PDF. Then click on save. And we have saved it on our documents folder. So that will be easy for us to find. Now let's open it and see if it did the magic. In documents, we called it AutoCAD, or it was map final topo. Open it. So there we have it, our map in PDF form. So one thing I'd like to point out is that if you notice these lines and the texts are in black, the font color, but if we check on our AutoCAD, they are in white. So if you have a black background, ensure that these lines and the legend are in white, and if your background is white, ensure that these lines and the legend These lines actually is the neat line. Yeah, ensure that they are black, so the final output will be black. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you really liked these videos and they were helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Also share it and subscribe. Goodbye.